Let's create and edit a shot using Sequencer. Welcome to Sequencer in Maya 2027. In this quick start, we'll create shots, adjust their timing directly in the timeline, sync the Maya time slider to the active shot, and organize shots using labels and color. By the end of this quick start, you'll have a working sequence and understand how to quickly build and refine shot timing. Let's get started. First, switch to Sequencer Workspace. Sequencer Editor is where you arrange and edit shots in your scene. Shots appear as rectangular clips on tracks, and you can move, trim, and scale them to define timing. Let's start by creating a few shots. You can create a shot using Sequencer Toolbar, the Time Slider, or the Create Shot options. In the Time Slider, select a range of frames, then right-click and choose Sequencer Create Shot from Time Slider. This creates a shot using the selected frame range. For more control, open Create Shot options to define the camera and timing. Create a couple of shots so we have a sequence to work with. Now let's refine the timing. Drag a shot to reposition it in the sequence. To adjust timing, drag the edges of a shot to trim its start or end. To change the shot length, scale the shot by enabling time scale mode and dragging its edge. You can do this in the Edit menu or by clicking this button. These edits happen directly in Sequencer, so you can quickly block and refine timing without leaving the editor. Once your timing is working, you can create a playblast to review the sequence as a movie. Playblasting lets you quickly evaluate timing, shot order, and continuity without rendering. Right mouse button click the shot and choose Playblast Shot. This creates a preview of the sequence using the active shots. Play the result to review the timing across the full sequence. If something feels off, you can return to Sequencer and continue refining the shots. Playblasting automatically adds a thumbnail. This is especially useful when you're working with multiple shots or similar camera angles. Next, enable Sync Timeline. Go to View Sync Timeline or click this button. Now, as you scrub the Sequencer playhead, the Maya time slider updates to match the active shot. Move across a few shots and notice how the time slider updates automatically. Now let's organize the sequence. Right-click a shot and choose Assign Label, Create Label. Labels appear directly on shots and help identify their status at a glance. You can also assign custom colors to shots to visually distinguish them in the sequence. Right-click the shot and select Set Shot Color. Together, labels and colors make it easier to scan and manage complex timelines. If you need more detail on your shots, you can adjust the track height to display more information. This makes interactive editing easier. Go to View Track Height and switch between small, medium, and large. You can also click this button to toggle between the options. Each track height displays a different amount of shot information. In this quick start, we created shots, edited timing directly in the timeline, reviewed the sequence using a playblast, synced the Maya time slider to the active shot, and organized shots using labels, color, and thumbnails. With these tools, you can quickly build and refine shot timing directly in your scene. And this is just the beginning of what you can do with Sequencer.